Hello everyone, welcome you all in Engineering Guru 2020 YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn what is theory of machine. Theory of machine is one of the most important subject in mechanical engineering. So let's see in next slide what is theory of machines. The theory of machines may be defined as the branch of engineering science which deals with the study of relative motion between the various parts of a machine and force which act on them. The knowledge of this subject is very essential for an engineer in designing the various parts of the machines. So in the theory of machines, there are the various parts like gyroscope, governor, bifilar suspension, trifilar suspension, friction device like brake, clutches are the examples of theory of machine subject. So now the theory of machines divided in subdivision like kinematics, dynamic, kinetics, and statics. Now first understand what is kinematics. So kinematics, it is that the branch of theory of machines which deals the relative motion between the various parts of the machines. So kinematics is deals only with relative motions only. So example like cam follower, synthesis of linkages, gear drive, cam follower are the example of kinematics. Now second, that is dynamic. It is the branch of theory of machine which deal with the force and their effects while acting upon the machine of the part in the motions. So in dynamics, we are considering on motion with force. So some example like whenever we balance the mass of single rotating masses, double rotating masses, locomotive. So there are the example of dynamics. So we are considering motion as well as force. So third type, that is kinematics. So it is the branch of theory of machines which deal with the inertia force which arise from the combined effect of mass and motion of the machine parts. In kinetics, we are considering mass and motion both. And final, that is static. So this is the also branch of theory of machine which deals with the force and their effect while the machine part are at the rest condition. The mass of the parts, it is assumed negligible. So in static, no mass, no motions. We are considering the force and their effect while the machines are at the rest. So this is the basic concept of theory of machines and subdivision of theory of machines. So in next video we will cover some more important topics. So like, comment and share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.